welcome to my life as a carnivore. So lately I've been craving Döner Kebab. No, not the whole thing rolled up in a kind of tortilla shell or in flatbread with lettuce and onions and tomatoes and sauces. No, not that. Just the meat. So originally it comes from Turkey. So the Turkish Döner Kebab, they use lamb meat. But in Switzerland, Germany, you find them with beef, lamb, veal, chicken, whatever, or mixed or whatever. And it's basically they put lots of meat on a really big spit, and then it rotates and it roasts like that. And then they always carve off the first layer that's already done, and then it just keeps rotating. But yes, of course, they marinate the meat before they put it on the spit. Usually, I think with a yogurt sauce marinade, spices of course. I only eat meat and salt, only beef, only ground beef and beef steak, and salt and water, nothing else. But I still wanted to try to do that, and I have this little air fryer here with this little spit. Well, it won't be like that, it will be like this, but it will also rotate. So I actually tried it 2 days ago and it turned out so great. I have to do it again. So 2 days ago I only used top loin, like really lean meat, and ground beef 73%, so actually the fattiest ground beef I could find. So it gave that mix, and I just put some of those pretty thinly sliced on the spit, and then with that one, and then more of the slices, and then that one, and then put it all together. It turned out so great, so awesome. So now I want to get creative, and I actually want to use more different beef cuts. So still I have the top loin, very lean. I still have the 73% ground beef, but then hey, let's also add some ribeye. That should give a good flavor. And I absolutely love skirt steak. So I actually try to also cut those pretty thinly. Skirt steak. Skirt steak is from the diaphragm. So it's they say it's actually an offal, an organ meat in a way. It doesn't taste like an organ meat at all, but it has a special taste. It is different than just a New York chuck or ribeye steak, but it's so delicious. So I thought like, wow, so I have like different beef flavors all mixed together. So we're gonna do that today. I'm really excited. As I mentioned, I only eat beef, ground and steak and salt. So we're not gonna marinate it, just everything, it gets salted. A lot of salt. I always like to use different salts. We had sea salt. Now I'm gonna use some black salt. It's like really thin, and no, it's not black at all. And this is Himalayan pink salt. This is my marinade, just different salts.
Cold eyes and burning lips, my sent from the devil. I believe all the lies and can't realize that she's as cold as ice. She's like poison that I swallow. She takes my breath away. She takes it all, more than I can say. I'll go.
Subscribe. If not, just click me away. I'm gonna have some steak now. I always like to use different salts, so now